Dear students, in this video, we will learn the reformation of petrol. We have already prepared the petrol either by crude oil or by the cracking of the crude oil or by polymerization process. In all these things, the petrol which we got, we want to make it more effective. So, for that reason, we want to make some structural changes in the petrol to improve and enhance its qualities. So, we will learn about the reformation of petrol. Reformation is enhancing the properties of the petrol by bringing about structural changes in it. Let us see. So, reforming can be explained as the molecular rearrangement in the hydrocarbon without bringing any change in the number of carbon atoms. In other words, we can say that it is only the structural modification of the hydrocarbon molecules to improve the quality of the fuel, that is the gasoline or petrol. The reformation reactions are many. Let us start with isomerization. So, we can explain isomerization as a process in which the compounds having same molecular formula but with different structures. This process in which we are bringing different structures of the same molecular weight hydrocarbon is called isomerization, and the products obtained are called isomers. Like here I have explained a molecule of n-hexane. N-hexane means it's a straight chain hexane molecules with 6 carbon atoms. You can see here. The n-hexane is then put under isomerization and a branch is produced in the n-hexane. So, the number of carbon atoms have not changed. The number of hydrogen atoms are also same. Only a branch is produced and we will call it an isomer of n-hexane. So 2-methyl pentane is an isomer of n-hexane but with the improved quality, that is improved octane rating. The other is conversion of a straight chain to cyclic compound. Like in the previous isomerization we saw that we are producing a branch in it. Now if we make it into a cyclic compound, same n-hexane can be converted into cyclohexane. This also improves its octane rating. Third reaction is dehydrogenation, means removal of hydrogen. If the cyclohexane which we have produced from the n-hexane is subjected to removal of hydrogen, it gets converted into an aromatic hydrocarbon, that is benzene. So benzene is having a better anti-knock properties, better octane rating than n-hexane. Next is dehydrocyclization. This means the dehydration is brought about followed by the cyclization. So the n-hexane is first converted into a cyclic structure, that is cyclohexane, and then it is further converted into an aromatic hydrocarbon, that is benzene, after the removal of hydrogen from it. So we can improve the quality of the fuel by bringing about changes in the structure. Hydrocracking is another method in which a normal paraffin of high molecular weight is cracked into small pieces of low molecular weight. That is, cracking is brought about, and with the help of cracking we can produce better quality fuels. This is brought about by passing the vapors over heated catalysts. So here I have given the example of n-decane. It's a big molecule with 10 carbon atoms, and it is broken down into small hydrocarbon containing 5 carbon atoms, that is pentane. 2 molecules of pentane are produced by 1 molecule of decane. Polymerization. Here, the small molecules, they unite to give a big molecule, and we are using isobutane and isobutene. These molecules are subjected to polymerization to produce a liquid isooctane, that is 2,2,4 trimethyl pentane is obtained by the polymerization of isobutane and isobutene. So this also improves the quality of the petrol. Why we are doing this? What is the advantage of reforming? See, we have obtained the petrol by various techniques, but we want to upgrade this gasoline. The upgradation can be done by bringing the structural modifications, as we have seen, by bringing about cyclization or producing unsaturation in the compound, or by branching. We can improve the quality of the petrol, which results into high octane petrol, which is very useful in the aviation industry also. So, can we use the petrol instead of diesel in the auto engines, or diesel in place of petrol? No. Petrol cannot be exchanged with the diesel in the automobiles and vice versa, because diesel is the fifth fraction after naphtha and kerosene and has a high boiling point compared to petrol. Therefore, in the petrol engine, we take the air fuel mixture, but in the diesel engine, we first introduce the air, later we put the diesel oil in it. So, it is very difficult to vaporize the diesel. Therefore, we cannot interchange the fuels in the automobile engines. The diesel engine is meant for diesel fuels and the petrol engines are meant for the petrol fuels. Thank you.